How to add a subscribe button on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome to yet another exciting moment of a divine vibration. Welcome to Make Man Online with Tintin. Today I want to talk about how you can add a subscribe button on YouTube. Alright, without wasting your time, we must go to Google and download the PNG file 150 by 150. Right, if you have your file, the next thing which we are going to do is we are going to go to youtubestudio.com. Customization. When you're on customization, you need to scroll down until to the last where you see the settings which you are really looking for. The next thing you have to do upload and take out our file, resize. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of your video, so you have to choose which option do you want: end of the video, custom start time, or entire video. Normally I choose entire video. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and support our channel in any further upcoming videos. Bye bye.